Today I'd like to introduce the Rampart WordPress theme. Rampart is a minimally styled theme designed specifically for developers. The goal is to enable developers to create better sites in less time by taking care of all the low-level details. For example, Rampart is completely responsive. As you can see, as the screen size changes, the layout adjusts accordingly, from one column to two columns, where the sidebars are stacked on top of each other, to three columns. The screen gets bigger. The layout can be further customized via the theme customizer. There's 6 different layout options. Notice here we have sidebar, content, sidebar, but because of the space that the theme customizer is taking up, the sidebars are stacked over here. We can also go with no sidebars at all, content, then the sidebar, sidebar, then the content. We'll go with content and sidebar. Save that, and here we have it. Not only can the layout be changed, but the header itself contains multiple widget areas so that multiple menus can be added. We'll go to the widgets area, and before the header we'll add a custom menu, and how about a search box. Then after the header we'll add another custom menu. So here we have our first menu above the header. We have a search box here, and then an additional menu. All of these layouts and widget areas line up vertically on a grid to create a perfect vertical rhythm. Here we can use the Cadence Check plugin to display a background grid that shows how everything lines up. So all the way down, different headers, block quotes, tables, definition lists, unordered and ordered lists, HTML tags. As you can see, the text is still right within those grids. Turn the plugin off. Not only this, but every page can be individually widgetized. Here we'll go to an example page. Here we just have some text. Here's the sidebar. We're going to go edit this page, and we'll create a new widget area. We'll just give it a title of first, and we don't need to give it a class. We'll update the widget area, and update the page to save this widget area. Notice that the widget area's placement is before the content. Now we'll go manage the widgets for this page. First, here's our got recent comments and recent posts. I already put them in, and so we can go back and take a look at this page. So here we have recent comments, recent posts before the page content. However, let's say we wanted to completely replace the content. We'll go with replace the content. Let's add another widget area. We'll call it second. Update the page so it's saved. Manage the widget areas. Let's move these down to the second widget area, and let's add a tag cloud as well. In the first widget area we'll add an image. Choose an image. Let's see if we can find a pretty large image. This should work. Update, full size, yep. Save, and view the page. As you can see, here's our image, and then our 3 widgets below the image. They're automatically spaced into 3 columns. If there were 4 widgets, it'd be 4 columns. However, they're kind of squished here, so what we're going to want to do is let's go back and use a page template to allow the widgets to take up the full width of the page. Update that. View the page, and there we have a fully widgetized page. There you have it. That's some of the features of the Rampart WordPress theme. If you have any questions, use the contact form on themefoundation.com. Send me a message and I'll be happy to talk with you about it. Thanks.